Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you install APK files on any Android device, you came to the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. I'll start by showing you how can you install the APK file of maybe an app that is not available in your region in Play Store or App Store maybe. So let's start by going to the Play Store and I'm gonna search for the Wiz app. This app is not available in my location, so I'm just gonna type in Wiz app. As you can see, it will not pop up in the search on Play Store. I can still find it on Play Store still. So open your browser, simply search for the name of the app. You can scroll down and find the apps or the Play Store category, tap on it and you find it here. As you can see, it is saying that it is not available in my country, but I still have it installed, and I'll show you exactly how did I do that. First, tap and hold on your Chrome browser if that's the browser you want to use, and tap on app info. Basically, from the settings of the app, go ahead and tap on install apps from unknown sources. Make sure to turn on this toggle right here, and I'll show you why in a minute. Quick, from here, open your browser. Simply from your browser, go ahead and Google the name of the app plus APK. So in this case, it is Wiz app APK, and tap on enter to make the search. Open the first website, and most times it's gonna be up to down this website right here. So any website works, I just prefer this one. Tap on get the app or just tap on download. It's gonna be the download button right here in the bottom. Tap on it to download the APK file. Of course, you have to wait for the download to finish. Tap on download anyway and wait for the download to be completed. You can check the download in the control center in the top right here. So I'm gonna swipe down. Here it is downloaded. Tap on it right there. And then simply tap on install right here. It is installed in my case, as you can see here it is, guys. And that is how did I install APK files, and even APK files or apps that are not available in my region. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Share this video with your friends and see you in future videos.